I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a Google Cloud project, Firebase project, and a service account key. Create and download the JSON credentials now, because you will need them when authenticating. Next, enable the Google Sheets API in the Cloud Console so your app can read and write sheets. Once done, set database rules to allow authenticated access. Make sure to restrict to your service account to prevent open access. This gets you poised to wire sheets to Firebase securely. You now authenticate. Use the service account JSON to obtain a JWT token or set up OAuth 2 if end-user consent is required. Then, read the target sheet ranges with the Sheets API and parse rows into objects. Map column headers to Firebase field names. While mapping, normalize types. Convert date strings to ISO, numbers to floats, and checkboxes to booleans, because Firebase stores typed values. Once mapping logic runs locally or in cloud functions, you'll be ready to push data reliably and repeatably. You finish by deploying your sync mechanism, a cloud function triggered by HTTP or time, or a cron job that pulls sheets and writes to Firebase. Use batched writes or transactions to maintain consistency, and include retry logic for transient failures. After deployment, test with a small update and confirm values appear in the database. If something goes wrong, check cloud logs first. Then verify service account permissions and API quotas. Those are the most common culprits when...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.